Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Chem Phys MCAT. Begin by thoroughly reviewing all foundational chemistry and physics concepts. Focus on understanding the underlying principles rather than just memorizing facts. Create a detailed study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject area. This structured approach ensures comprehensive coverage and helps manage your study load effectively. Dive deep into general chemistry, ensuring you understand concepts like acid-base chemistry and electrochemistry. For organic chemistry, master reaction mechanisms and functional groups. In physics, prioritize understanding forces, motion, and energy. Active learning, such as drawing diagrams and solving problems, will solidify your grasp of these essential topics. Don't just read, actively engage with the material.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Quick recommendation: for all your extensive study materials, you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reviewing notes and practice questions on the go. Check the description below for the link to the Kindle and other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Consistent practice is crucial for MCAT success. Incorporate daily practice questions to reinforce your learning and identify weak areas. Regularly take full-length practice exams under strict timed conditions to build stamina and simulate the actual test environment. After each exam, meticulously review all questions, especially those you answered incorrectly, to understand the reasoning and improve your approach. Enhance your learning with effective study techniques. Make flashcards for important formulas and definitions, using them for active recall. Explaining complex topics to a study partner or even to yourself can significantly deepen your understanding. Implement spaced repetition to review material at increasing intervals, which is highly effective for long-term memory retention. These methods will boost your comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.